Hello friends, welcome to my channel Prachi Style. Today here I am with one more perfume review. So the perfume which we'll be reviewing today is one of the best selling fragrances by Nykaa. So it's from the Mua collection called as Joie de Vivre. So Joie de Vivre in French means joy of living. So this is supposed to be duping Dolce Gabbana's Light Blue. It gives you the same vibe as Dolce Gabbana's Light Blue, which is a very high-end fragrance and it's much more expensive than this one. So I have bought this fragrance from Nykaa's pink sale a few days back for 870 rupees. This is a 100 ml bottle and this fragrance is ranked as number one on Nykaa's beauty section for long lasting fragrance. So this fragrance, they have said that it lasts for up to 12 hours. So I nearly got 10 to 11 hours, but on clothes it does last longer. And it's a very beautiful fragrance, aquatic, fresh, citrus, and hints of florals. So I really loved the opening also, and lemon is not too lemony, like I don't like too strong lemon kind in your face, but in this it's subtle. Also the aquatic notes balance the citrus so well. And so let's just get into the review. This fragrance was launched a few years back. Then I had bought the other one, Raison d'etre, and I loved that one. But this I had tried a few years back in one of the Nykaa stores when I, for some reason, didn't like it that much. But I think every few years our preferences, choices change as we grow. So this time around I really loved this fragrance, and for 870 rupees I think it's a really great bargain. And you can get this for 870 rupees for their sales, in their sale, which is frequently going on Nykaa. So you can definitely check the offers on the website. And overall the packaging is really good. They have kept it in blue, shades of blue and white, I think because they want to portray that it's aquatic and fresh, which they have done well, I think. And the bottle is standard Nykaa bottle. And usually also all the Nykaa fragrances which I have tried so far, especially the OG ones like this one, so they do last for a very long time on the skin as well as clothes. So on clothes they even last longer than they do on the skin. So I really love Nykaa fragrances for this reason specifically, so that they can last long on the skin. Especially there are days when you want a fragrance to last on your skin for a long time, so these fragrances are ideal for that. And so let me just quickly tell you the notes for this. So the top notes as mentioned on Nykaa are aquatic notes and mandarin. But for some reason I did smell something white floral, and I checked a bit deeper, and it is a touch of chrysanthemum. So chrysanthemum is a white flower, so it has those notes on the first spray itself. And in the heart notes there are warm woods and amber. And for the base notes it's oak moss and musk. But the way chrysanthemum is used, it's really very very well done, because you just feel the hint of chrysanthemum. It's a beautiful blend of aquatic, floral and citrus notes on the first spray, and then as soon as it settles down on your skin it becomes musky, woody, but still the citrus and the floral is maintained. So overall I really liked the feel of this fragrance, also the dry down. And when I just checked a few comments, they said that the first spray it smells exactly like Dolce Gabbana's Light Blue, but in the dry down this is a bit woody and a bit softer as compared to that. So personally I've tried Dolce Gabbana's Light Blue in one of the stores previously. That time I did think that it was a bit stronger, and the lemon or citrus note was a bit stronger than this. But the vibe is same: fresh, aquatic, a bit floral, woody, musky. So if you want to have something like light blue in one third of its budget, you can try this. And also, the description for this fragrance, which is mentioned everywhere, is that it's a uplifting blend of vibrant citrus, crisp aquatic or aqua notes, and a touch of chrysanthemum drying down into soft woody base. So it's aptly written. Also, this is ideal for summers, and also I'll recommend it for gloomy winter days, or heavy rains, maybe a day when it's raining outside and you just want to feel fresh, or when you're just chilling and you're trying to just look outside the window and feel fresh maybe, or that vibe this fragrance would give you. And also, for me, i'll I imagine myself putting this on when I'm wearing a white dress and maybe going to a beach or on a beach vacation. It's ideal for that. And for heavy summer days, very sunny days, this is the best to wear. Also, for winters, personally I would not like to wear it, but it depends from person to person. But I'd recommend this for summers specifically, or very rainy days when you just want to feel fresh. So it's that kind of a vibe. It's not ideal for winters, but maybe for a beach vacation, or just strolling on very sunny days in the evenings. So this is ideal for that. And longevity wise, it's really good. So I'll definitely recommend it if you are on a budget and you want to buy something which does not feel very generic, or you want to gift it to somebody and a bit special, not a very common fragrance. So you can definitely give this one a try. Do let me know in the comment section below if you liked it, what are your thoughts about it. Also, please do consider to like, share and subscribe to my channel, so that you'll get to see all my videos as soon as I post them. Also, if you're watching this video from your YouTube mobile app, please do consider to hype this video so it reaches more and more people and helps my channel to grow. Also, please comment on the videos if you like it. Please watch the videos so it motivates me to create more such videos. And until the next video, goodbye. Take care, everyone.